Before we dive into agents, I first want to show how Accounting Seat is fully built on the Salesforce platform, allowing your data to be AI ready from day one. Here we have a renewal for $50,000. And unlike NetSuite or QuickBooks that require integration with Salesforce, you can see that all the data lives inside Salesforce. Invoices, cash receipts, opportunity costs, all the accounting functionality is built right into this opportunity. No switching systems. Your sales team can see invoice status, accounting team can see sales pipeline. Everyone's working from the same playbook. You can also see at the top, various accounting actions are added here. You can create a billing, a sales order, a project, a recurring billing. So let's go ahead and create a billing from this opportunity. With one click, Accounting Seed automatically pulls in the customer information, billing contact, products, and pricing. The invoice is generated with all the GL coding needed for your financial reporting and analysis. Now you can see here the PDF that gets sent to your customer with the payment link, which is fully customizable as well. But here's where it gets interesting with agents. Let's check out this aging report. See this invoice here, worth $20,000, now over 90 days past due. Traditionally, an AR team would manually review the report for all past due invoices, draft a collections email, personalize it, and then send it out. That's 15 to 20 minutes per invoice. Multiply that by dozens of overdue accounts. That's a lot of time, right? So let me show you what's possible with our new AI agents. Let's bring up our collections agent here and see how it can help us. I'm simply going to ask it to provide all billings with due dates over 90 days outstanding, along with customer names. The agent instantly identifies all qualifying invoices over 90 days outstanding. Then I can ask it to actually send collections notices for these. The agent quickly provides a personalized collections email, including all invoice details and payment links. Then you can see upon my approval, the agent would send them out on my behalf. Now, I'm sure many of you are concerned about big picture items too, like cash flow. I see here that Skilled Arts has an outstanding invoice, so let's ask the agent when they're most likely to pay. You can see that the answer that used to take 20 minutes now takes 20 seconds. And because it's using your connected, grounded data, it's not just automation, it's contextual automation. Now let's move on to accounts payable. What you're seeing here is the result of AI autonomously scanning the PDF to extract the vendor details, amount, and determine the GL coding. I didn't have to lift a finger to create this payable. Now, while AI can help bring in the details, many accounting and finance folks still want to have control and oversight over what's being paid. And you can leverage AI to help with double checking in a way that automation simply cannot. So let's ask our bill pay agent if there are any duplicate invoices that came in. The bill pay agent pulls me a full list of duplicate invoices, which I'm obviously going to be reviewing to make sure I only pay once. But in addition to avoiding duplicate payments and detecting this type of fraudulent activity, the bill pay agent can help with taking advantage of early pay discounts, recommend how to prioritize bills, and even process approved payments, all with that human oversight, of course. But now it's like clockwork, right? Every month, the CFO wants to see how quickly the month can be closed out. And every month, the accounting team has certain recurring manual tasks they have to do first. And for the accounting and finance teams, we do have an agent that can help with this. So let's ask our GL agent what journal entries are currently unposted. The agent is going to pull a list for me of all the journal entries I would need to post that I normally have to hunt down manually. And this is just one example of queries that can be done in seconds to help close the books faster, ultimately making everyone a lot happier and allowing accounting teams to spend less time on manual work and more time on strategy. Now, because Accounting Seed is built on Salesforce, the agents that we showed you today are ready to work for you immediately. No costly integrations, no IT projects. Your financial data is already connected and AI ready. What this means for our accounting teams is instead of spending days chasing down invoices, manually matching transactions, or fielding repetitive questions, you can focus on strategic financial planning, forecasting, and advising your leadership on business decisions. You get to do exactly what you were hired to do.